Hey boys and girls, welcome to Reading with Miss T. Today we'll be reading Penny Butter Fudge by Toni Morrison and Slade Morrison, illustrated by Joe Cepeda. Mom's instructions: 12 o'clock lunch, peas, carrot sticks, fish fingers, 1:15 nap, 2:25 playground, 4 o'clock television, 5 o'clock dinner, hot dogs, macaroni and cheese, 6:30 bath, 7:15 snack, granola bar, 7:30 bed. I will be back at bedtime. Mommy. Snuggle, snuggle, time to rest. Nana joins us in her nest. Nap time, is not so long when Nana sings a sleepy song. Looky look, we get a storybook. Fairies, dragons, everywhere, creepy things under the stairs, pots of gold, a laughing mouse, a peppermint chimney on a house. Hurry, hurry, hop in the car. Let's go fast, let's go far. All around, up and down, Nana takes us through the town. Yummy luminy, so much happy in the tummy. Look at what our Nana made us. Biscuits, ham, and lemonade-us. Oh my goodness, Nana's sick. Help! Find the Dr. Kit. She's got a fever, her face is hot. Get some water, pour a lot. Band-aid for her toes, Band-aid for her nose. Doctor says you need rest. Quiet while we check your tests. Be good, Nana. Take a vitamin pill. We'll make you well. You bet we will. Hold my hand and swing around. Feel the rhythm in the ground. Lift your left foot, now your right. Shake your shoulders with all your might. Let's make the kitty cat. I've got one paw, I've got two. Here's his tail and whiskers too. Here's his play toy, but it doesn't belong. The shape is right, but the color is wrong. Patience, no need for haste. Every piece has its place. Penny Butter Fudge, Penny Butter Fudge. Mama's coming any minute. Quick, quick, let's begin it. Shh, don't tell, but I can't help it. This recipe's a family secret. Mix it, cook it, cool it, eat it. My mother taught me, and I taught yours. Don't ever forget how it's done, for you will have to pass it on. Tickety-tock, can we beat that big old clock? Penny butter, Nana is the best grandmother. Give me a kiss, give me a hug. Penny butter, Penny Butter Fudge. If you get this book, it has a beautiful recipe of penny butter fudge. Try it out. Did you enjoy this book? I hope you did. Come back again and read with Miss T. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. and leave me a comment. Thank you. Bye.
You are